I am recording a demo to show how iris clarity works with multiple people speaking on the other side. So right now I have iris clarity on both sides of the call. And I'd love to hear what it sounds like on your end for me. So hi, Tiana, Scott. How are you doing and how was your weekend?
Yeah, good, thanks. Good weekend. Had some dinner with some friends on Friday, and then on Saturday I went to a farewell, which was nice sociable weekend. How about you guys?
Amazing. What about you, Scott?
I had some lovely barbecue food on Saturday with some friends who came to London to see me. Had a lot of meat. And then on Sunday, I went and watched Arsenal play for Southampton. We had a disappointing 100.
I'm sorry that was disappointing for you. Hopefully, it was still a fun game.
It was a reasonably fun game. And as an Arsenal fan, you get used to disappointment.